Viewers, days after a UPSC aspirant died of electrocution on a waterlogged street in Delhi's Patel Nagar, another tragedy has hit the national capital. 3 students have lost their lives at a coaching center in Old Ranjendra Nagar area after rains led to flooding of the basement. As per reports, 1 more student was missing. The fire department and NDRF teams rushed to the spot to conduct the rescue operation. Delhi Minister Atishi wrote to the Chief Secretary directing a magisterial inquiry into the incident and seeking a report within 24 hours. She also called for the strongest possible action against those who were found responsible for the incident.
अब जांच के आदेश दे दिए गवर्नमेंट ने होगी, क्योंकि बारिश बहुत हैवी रेन हुई थी और बारिश में पानी भरता है। वहाँ पे मैं एक देख रहा था अभी कि बताया मेरे को एक लड़के ने वहाँ पे कि सर पानी हर बार बढ़ता है, पर इस बार पता नहीं अचानक इतनी तेजी से पानी भरा कि हमें बाहर निकलने का समय नहीं निकल पाया, मतलब नहीं मिल पाया, हम बाहर नहीं निकल पाए। 30 बच्चे करीब बता रहे थे वो लोग थे, काफी लोग निकल गए, 2-3 बच्चे जो रह गए, क्योंकि पानी वो ये बता रहे पानी भरने में 5 मिनट से ज्यादा का टाइम लगा नहीं। तो पानी कैसे इतनी तेजी से भर गया, इतनी तेज बारिश हुई है, सारा पानी उधर कैसे आ गया, ये एक जांच का विषय हो सकता है।
Times Now has accessed details of the sequence of events. Sources say that after incessant rains between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., the fire department received a call about waterlogging in the basement of the coaching institute. 5 fire tenders and NDRF teams along with divers were rushed to the spot. However, the cause of the flooding in the basement could not be immediately ascertained. Police suspect that the coaching classes functioning from basements had violated safety norms. Times Now's Priyank Tripathi had also reached the spot as the rescue operation was still underway.
In the last 4 hours, what we have witnessed that this water is being pumped out from the basement. This is the location from where we are reporting. This is the institute, which is known as the Rao Coaching Institute, where the UPS students have been preparing since many months. And approximately around 7 p.m., there was a call which was given to the fire department and the Delhi police regarding a casualty which has happened here. Following to which the Delhi police persons, NDRF and the fire department officials moved to their location. We are talking about Old Ranjendra Nagar, which is a very prominent location here in the national capital, where there are multiple IPS and UPSC preparation institutes which are situated. But the rescue team is still trying to work hard to find those bodies which are still missing. Approximately what we got to know that there were 35 to 40 students who had gone to the basement area where they were studying inside the library, and suddenly when the water entered in, they could not save their life. The big question is that who should be held accountable for this? The big question is that how is it possible this area could not be attended? We are joined by the locals. Sir, this is a very prominent area right next to the metro station. It was very well known fact that the waterlogging do happen. Why was the authority sleeping? Why were they sleeping?
This everything is it's very sad. I am not able to speak anything. राजनीति नहीं करने का टाइम है। इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं एनडीआरएफ की टीम, दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम लगी पड़ी है पिछले 4 घंटे से।
ये आम लोगों का रास्ता है, दिन भर भीड़ रहती है, रात भी भीड़ रहती है, पानी भरता किसी को सुध ही नहीं थी।
आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ आम आदमी की सरकार दिल्ली में है, एमसीडी में यहाँ के जो आम आदमी पार्टी के प्रभारी है दुर्गेश पाठक, उनका काम है। आम आदमी पार्टी की काउंसिलर आरती चावला, उनका काम है। मैं किसी को जिम्मेदार नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मैं हाथ जोड़ के कह रहा हूँ सबसे कि भविष्य में ऐसा कुछ ना हो। पिछले
residents are worried that this kind of casualty should not be reported once again. But the fact of the matter is that so much of preparation, this kind of casualty has happened. The Delhi police team is also here on the ground. They have taken assistance from the NDRF and the fire department. Why was the authority sleeping? Why were they sleeping?
This everything is it's very sad. I am not able to speak anything. देश के दो, can I speak in Hindi?
Yeah, sure.
देश के 2 भविष्य की जान चली गई है। आप राजनीति नहीं करने का टाइम है। इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं एनडीआरएफ की टीम, दिल्ली पुलिस की टीम लगी पड़ी है पिछले 4 घंटे से। आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ आम आदमी की सरकार दिल्ली में है, एमसीडी में यहाँ के जो आम आदमी पार्टी के प्रभारी है दुर्गेश पाठक, उनका काम है। आम आदमी पार्टी की काउंसिलर आरती चावला, उनका काम है। वहाँ 2 मौतें हो गई। मैं किसी को जिम्मेदार नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मैं हाथ जोड़ के कह रहा हूँ सबसे कि भविष्य में ऐसा कुछ ना हो।